Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply the same color grade to multiple clips in Davinci Resolve. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your Davinci Resolve. So we have several clips of, I'm going to apply a very obnoxious color grade to the first clip. So it's very obvious what clips have the grade applied and what clips don't. I'm going to split half of these and we will apply them using the second technique in a moment. First, we select that clip and we copy that clip using Command C or Apple C. Next, select the other clips, click Paste Attributes, and from all of these attributes, just select Color Correction. And now you will see that color correction has been applied to all of those clips. What else you can do is go over to the color tab and select clips, and all you do is select that one that has color grade you want, hold down shift and click as far as you want over, right click and apply grade, and now all of these clips also have that color. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to apply the same color grade to multiple clips in Davinci Resolve. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.